Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Angelique and I'm so excited to have you here, especially for today because it is a very special video. As you could tell by the title, this is our ABH PR unboxing. So I haven't even cut the tape on this yet. I wanted to do this all for you guys, and then I'm also going to do a tutorial with some of the products afterwards, so I hope you stick around for that. However, I'm going to try to keep this video as short as possible because, you know, my internet's been spotty for the last month, and so I'm hoping that if I keep my video short, then it will upload quicker before my internet goes out. I don't know. So I just want to start off by saying thank you to Norvina and Anastasia Beverly for seeing something in me, for recognizing my talent, and for appreciating the different things that I do, like the colored brows and things like that, like appreciating the artistry. I feel like I will always be grateful for such a huge brand, in my opinion the biggest brand in the beauty industry, to take a chance on me. I am literally a nobody. Like, I live in southeastern Kentucky and I definitely just don't feel deserving of this opportunity, but I'm super grateful that they saw something in me anyways, and they don't think I'm just a nobody. And yeah, so I'm just so thankful and grateful, and I'm so grateful to all of my mutuals and supporters for tagging me and like helping me get to where I am, and for everybody that is subscribed to this channel. And I'm gonna take a break for a second and then I'll come back and unbox. Okay, so I have my scissors and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tape. This box is really heavy, so it would be hard for me to hold this up and cut it at the same time, and my husband's at work so he cannot help me. Okay, so just opening the box, this is what it looks like. It's huge and it is stuffed, packed, something like that. Anyways, it's full and I'm already getting excited because I already see some things that I know I'm gonna love. So first we have these loose highlighters. I have this snowflake one and I love it. I think I've probably already went through like at least a fourth of it because I use it like every time now. And I got So Hollywood and Sunset Aura, so that's like the rose gold one. I'm really excited about that. So next we have blush trios and bronzer. I'm super excited about these. So this is Berry Adore, Pool Party, Pink Passion, Cocktail Party, bronzer in Tawny, and Peachy Love. So we have a pencil sharpener, which I'm excited about. Like, the little accessories are what I'm the most excited about because it's like what I needed. And the little mirror, I'm so excited about this. It's like, it's going in my purse for sure. So this is brushes, and it looks like it's brow brushes. So we have the 14, the 7B, the 20, the 12, the 30, and the 15. Okay, so this is the brow stencils and the scissors and the tweezers, which I'm so excited about both of these. Like, I'm gonna try to use these scissors on my wig because Norvina said they are the best for wigs, and you guys know obviously I'm not good at wigs, so I'm gonna use that. This is a brow powder duo in medium brown. She knew my shades. Another bronzer in Rosewood. Okay, so this is a big thing. I'm not sure exactly what is in this. I think it might be the single shadow. Okay, so that is definitely what it is. So this is what it looks like, and it is so beautiful, but I can already tell you that this and this shades are going to be my favorites because they are so colorful. Okay, I really love this one. Like, these shades right here are definitely going to be my fave because, you know, I love color. And then there are also these, which I'm excited that there's some room left to finish filling this up. You guys, this is one of the products that I was like the most excited for it. I know that it's going to sound silly, but it's the mirror. I'm so excited. Oh, I've watched my favorite beauty gurus use these ABH mirrors for years, and I don't know, it just feels surreal that now I'll be able to use them in my tutorials as well. Okay, so we have another huge bag of brushes. So I'm going to try to read through them really quick. We have an A6 Pro brush, the A12 Pro brush, this is the Swish brush, the A1 Pro brush, it looks like a flat definer. This looks like a blending brush, and it is the A5. Another blending brush, and this is the A10. A pencil brush, and this is A14. A tapered blending brush, A25. A eyeshader brush, A2. The A3, which is a firm shadow brush. The A26, which is a crease blending brush, which I've heard super good things about. This is the large tapered blending brush, the A23. I have this and I use it for highlight and I love it. This is the A20, and it's a large powder brush. A small firm shader brush, A27. An all over shadow brush, A16. A medium shadow brush, A24. A30 Pro brush. I'm excited about this because this is a round blending brush and I think it's for foundation. And a medium shader brush, A13. And a cream shadow brush. I'm super excited about that. This is the A4. And then we have the A18 angled chiseler brush. Okay, so we have a dip brow pomade in medium brown and a waterproof cream color in jet. You guys, I'm so excited about this too. I know, I'm like a child, but it's the keychain. Oh my god. My friend Tammy, like, she unboxed hers live on IG and she like hung it like here. So Tammy, this is a nod to you. Okay, so we have the little sponge. I'm super excited about that. Glitter adhesive. You guys know I love my glitter, so I'm excited about that too. I'm excited about everything. And I just want to say that as excited as I am about the makeup, it's not just about the makeup. It's about everything else I said in the beginning of this video for me. So here we have some brow products. We have like the Brow Wiz. We have a waterproof gel liner, the clear brow gel, and another dip brow pomade, which you guys know that I love. And there's the brow definer and the perfect brow pencil. Okay, so these are all glosses, and I am so excited about these because their glosses are like one of my favorites. You guys know I use the shade Grape Jelly all the time. So I'll just read them off to you really quick, the ones that I got. Undressed, Vintage, Dusty Lilac, Sunscape, Starfish, Saint Tropez. Oh, I have that one and I love it and I use it a lot too. Metallic Rose, Parfait, Freya. I love this Freya. It's like a really pretty like duochrome gold and it looks like it has like a pink shift to it. Luna, Girly, Toffee, Venus, Butterscotch, Moon Jelly, ooh, Gilded, Kristen, Estella, Peony, and Caramel. Okay, so these are the liquid lipsticks, and I got Crush, Dusty Rose, Naked, Trouble, Catherine Hayes, Hudson, Pure, Stripped, Milkshake, Ashton, and Roxanne. Okay, so these are the foundation sticks. I'm super excited about that. And then we have like a bunch of the bullet lipsticks, and I'll try to read these really quick. We have Buff, Spice, Honey, Soft Pink, Nude, Kiss, Dead Roses, Peachy, Sweet Pea, Sedona, Petal, Soft Touch, Cool Brown, and Hollywood. Oh my gosh, it's a little enamel pen and it's got like the Anastasia Beverly Hills tweezers on it. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so now we're getting into the palettes and the glow kits and the contour kits, and I will show these to you guys as well. Okay, so we have the Glow Sugar Kit, the Dream Glow Kit, the Moonchild Glow Kit. This is the Cream Contour Kit in Light. This is the Light Contour Kit. And this is the Sun Dipped Glow Kit. So first we have Modern Renaissance, the Queen herself, Norvina, Soft Glam, the latest and one of my favorites, the Riviera palette, the Prism palette. This shade right here, I cannot wait to dip into. And then we have the Subculture palette, which I'm super excited about as well. Okay, you guys, that concludes the unboxing portion. I hope you will stick around for the tutorial portion. Okay, you guys, I've already primed my eyes and I have tape on, and I did a look similar to this for Halloween, and I did not use this tape here, but I thought I would just give it a try and see what I think, but I'm probably going to take it off because it's annoying me. But anyways, this is going to be a Wolverine look, and it is dedicated to Norvina because, you know, I'm a huge Marvel fan. I mean, I love DC too. I love a lot of the comic book stuff because I'm a super nerd like that. But Norvina loves Marvel as well, and her favorite character is Wolverine. She said that if she ever had kids, she would name them Logan. So I wanted to do this in honor of her for believing in me and taking a chance on me. So to start off with, I'm going to go in with this Anastasia waterproof cream color in the shade Jet. I'm going to go ahead and trace out the angles that I want with this, and because I'll be packing black shadow on over it, but putting a gel liner down first will help it to intensify the black. I'm going to kind of cut it how I would my crease. And then I'm going to wing it out, and then I'm going to connect it. Is it bad that I have to go back and look at my own picture to remember how I did this? I'm going to take this tape off because I can already tell it's going to get in my way. Okay, so I'm going to curve it up a little bit here. I can always come back and clean that up. I'm going to go ahead and fill this in to see what it looks like. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go from the inner corner here, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of just drag it out. And to be honest, I just keep going up and drawing until I feel like it just kind of looks how I want it to. That is kind of the shape that I'm going for. Okay, so now that I have these very exaggerated wings on, I'm going to go in with the Prism palette, which I'm super excited. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this shade right here called Sphere. I'm going to take this on a really tiny pencil brush. So I'm just going to start by picking it up, and I'm going to leave a space. And I'm going to just pack it on there. So then I'm going to dip back into that palette, and I'm going to grab the black shade called Obsidian, and I'm going to pick that up on an A2 brush, and I'm just going to pack that right over top of that gel liner. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this tape off. Ouch. I'm going to go ahead and prime back under my eyes. I'm going to go back in with that black gel liner from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to kind of draw in a new bottom waterline with that to kind of connect the end part to like the beginning. I don't really know how to explain it, so I'm just gonna have to show you. And then I'm gonna go back in with the black shadow to pack over top of that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to dip back into that sphere shade. I'm going to take it on the tiniest pencil brush that I have, and that's a Morphe M515. It is super tiny, and I'm going to leave some space between the black and the shade again, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend some of that under there. Okay, I'm gonna throw on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have lashes on, I want to go in and do something a little bit extra with my brows. And so I'm gonna go back in with that black gel liner, and I'm gonna take it on a flat angled brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start making hair-like strokes. And then I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights, and this is in Vivid Halo, and I'm going to use that for the yellow brush strokes. And then I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of the black again. I'm going to dip back into the palette and grab this shade called Lucid, and I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. So for bronzer, I'm going to go on with Rosewood, and I do already have some bronzer on. I bronzed a little bit before, but I have wiped some of it away after doing my look. For blush, I'm going to go into the Peach Love, and I'm going to grab the shade Nectarine. I'm just tapping like one little time on the center shade, which is Ginger. And then I'm going to take just a little swap of the last shade, which is Miami, because it has like a little bit of a shimmer in it, and I'm just going to use it to kind of make that pop a little more. For highlight, I'm going to go in to the Sugar Glow Kit. I'm going to grab this shade called Marshmallow, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of Starburst. And I'm using the Anastasia A23 brush. I know I didn't use like a super ton of their brushes today, but I still need to go down and film like the whole collective of all of them, and I didn't want all my brushes to be dirty. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna outline them with the Metallic Rose lip gloss, and then on the center I'm gonna use Freya. Okay, you guys, that concludes this tutorial and this unboxing video, kind of mashed all into one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you did enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you didn't, then I'm sorry. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for all of your support. Thank you to Norvina and Anastasia and, you know, the whole company for everything that they do. Natalia, Paco, oh, I love Paco, he's like my favorite. And I'm just so grateful to everyone who has supported me in pursuing my dreams. And I don't want to cry again, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sign off, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial.